Imagine a world where machine can think, learn and make decisions like humans. A world where digital money is secure and transparent. And a world where everything from your fridge to your car is connected and talks to each other. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's not. Welcome to the future. Today, we are diving deep into three technologies that are shaping our world: artificial intelligence, blockchain, and the Internet of Things. These are not just buzzwords, they are the building blocks of tomorrow. Don't worry if these terms sound complex. We will break them down into simple everyday language. This video is for those who have very limited idea about these topics. So, we will keep it very high level and easy to digest. Let's grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and unlock the secrets of the future together. Welcome back. If you are new here, I am Satya, and on this channel we explore the fascinating world of corporate life and technology. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting insights and tips. Today, we are diving deep into the world of emerging technologies. We will explore few key areas. AI, we will understand how machines can think and learn. We will explore the technology behind cryptocurrencies and its wider application. We will discover the connected world and its impact on our lives. We will also understand how these technologies work together. We will also examine the potential pitfalls of these technologies. Glimpse into the future, we are going to explore the horizon of few more technological advancements. And finally, we will understand the steps we can take to embrace these technologies responsibly. Let's embark on this journey together. Let's start with artificial intelligence or AI. You have probably heard this term a lot lately. But what does it really mean? Think of AI as teaching a computer to think like a human. It's about creating intelligent machines that can learn, respond, and solve problems. But don't worry, we are not talking about robots taking over the world. AI is already a part of our daily lives. For example, your smartphone uses AI to understand your voice commands. And when you watch a movie on a streaming platform, AI suggests shows you might like. So, how does AI work? Well, it involves feeding a computer with lots of data. The computer then learns patterns from this data and can make predictions or decisions based on what it's learned. This is called machine learning. AI has the potential to change many industries. For instance, in healthcare, AI can analyze medical images to detect diseases earlier. In finance, it can help detect fraud. And in transportation, self-driving cars are becoming a reality thanks to AI. But with great power always comes great responsibility. It's important to use AI ethically and responsibly. We will talk more about this later. Next up, blockchain. You might have heard of Bitcoin, but blockchain is the actual technology behind it. It's a fancy way of saying a digital ledger. Imagine a ledger where every transaction is recorded and cannot be changed. That's blockchain. Each record or block is linked to the previous one, creating a chain of information. The beauty of blockchain is that it's decentralized. This means there is no single person or organization in control. Instead, the information is stored across multiple computers. This makes it incredibly secure and transparent. Blockchain has the potential to change many industries. For example, it can be used to track the supply chain of products, ensuring they are ethically sourced. In the healthcare industry, it can secure patient records, and even voting system can benefit from blockchain security. While blockchain is a powerful technology, it's still relatively new and there are challenges to overcome. Let's talk about the Internet of Things or IoT. It's simpler than it sounds. Imagine all the devices around you, your smartphone, your TV, even your fridge, all connected to the internet. That's IoT. These devices can collect data, communicate with each other, and even make decisions without human intervention. For example, your smart thermostat can adjust the temperature based on your schedule, or your smart speaker can play your favorite music with a simple voice command. IoT is transforming industries. In agriculture, sensor can monitor soil moisture and automatically adjust irrigation. In healthcare, wearable devices can track vital signs and alert doctors to potential issues. And in smart cities, IoT can optimize traffic flow and manage waste efficiently. While IoT offers immense possibilities, it also comes with challenges. Security is a major concern. With so many devices connected, it's really essential to protect your data. Well, while AI, blockchain, and IoT are powerful on their own, their true potential lies in how they work together. For example, AI can analyze vast amounts of blockchain data to identify patterns and trends. IoT devices can collect data that AI can process to optimize system, and blockchain can provide security and transparency for data generated by IoT devices. This convergence of technologies is driving innovation across industries, from smart cities to healthcare. We're just scratching the surface of what's possible. While these technologies hold immense promise, it's essential to acknowledge the potential risk and challenges. AI, while incredibly powerful, can also be misused. For instance, deepfakes, AI-generated fake videos or images, can spread misinformation and harm reputations. Additionally, there is concern about job displacement as AI automated lots of tasks. Blockchain, though secure, is not infallible. There have been instances of hacks and scams targeting cryptocurrency exchanges. Moreover, the energy consumption for mining certain cryptocurrencies is a significant environmental concern. IoT. The more devices connected to the internet, the larger the attack surface. IoT devices can be vulnerable to hacking, leading to data breaches and privacy violations. Remember the case of smart home devices being hacked and used to spy homeowners. While AI, blockchain, and IoT are transforming the present, it's essential to look ahead. There are several emerging technologies are poised to amplify their impact. Quantum computing. It harnesses the principles of quantum mechanics to process information exponentially faster than classical computers. This breakthrough technology could transform fields like cryptography, material science, and drug discovery. Imagine an AI powered by a quantum computer, capable of solving complex problems in seconds instead of years, or a blockchain system secured by quantum cryptography, making it virtually unhackable. Augmented reality and virtual reality. where AR overlays digital information onto the real world. VR creates entirely immersive digital environments. Envision smart glasses providing real time data about your surroundings or virtual training simulations for complex tasks. These technologies combined with AI and IoT can create highly interactive and personalized experiences. Edge computing. Instead of relying on centralized data centers, edge computing brings processing and data storage closer to the source of data. This reduces latency, improves response time, and enhances privacy. Imagine a self-driving cars making split-second decisions based on data processed locally, or IoT devices analyzing data without sending it to the cloud. These are just a few examples of technologies that will shape the future. The convergence of these domains will create unprecedented opportunities and challenges. We have explored the foundations of AI, blockchain, and IoT. We have understood their potential and challenges and glimpsed into the future. Now, it's time to take action. The tech landscape is constantly evolving. Stay curious, explore new concepts, and upskill regularly. Develop a critical mindset to evaluate the ethical implication of these technologies. Work with others to create solutions that benefit society. Be a responsible digital citizen. Use all these technologies ethically and responsibly. It's crucial to approach these technologies with both excitement and caution. While they have the potential to transform our world, it's equally important to address the risk and work towards mitigating them. By understanding the challenges, we can harness the benefits of AI, blockchain, and IoT responsibly. We have covered a lot of ground today, from the basics of AI to the potential of IoT. Remember, these technologies are still evolving, and the future holds even more exciting possibilities. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into corporate life and technology. Stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the changes these technologies will bring. The future is here and it's full of potential. See you in the next video.